Hello, folks. Richard Fontenay here. And before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So if you're interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now, my internet coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. Now let's move on to my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR, just like this one. And it shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. It includes a Word document, a PDF file, images, and PLR license. And you can use this document to increase your sales and using PLR. The second bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic to make money online. So it'll help you reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The third bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr at a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer. And in the process, you become the middleman. And the fourth bonus will show you how to create a passive income. And it's an important thing to understand, folks, that this passive income is a recurring passive income. And you can do it with a relative ease. And the fifth bonus will show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. And by the way, all you need to do to run this system is 15 minutes a day. And that's it. So let's move on. The vendors of this product are 2 well-known product creators and vendors in the self-help niche, Jonathan Tang and Jason Yu. They provide instant content solutions to busy internet marketers. And they're behind the brand that is sometimes put forward as the profit experts. In a nutshell, with Personal Success and Communication Academy, you can guide your audience with the tools to nurture personal success through 4 PLR packages: the power of words, essential communication tools, the pursuit of purpose, and the power of resilience. Now, here are some things you should know about this. You receive 84 done-for-you short videos, 84 editable presentation slides, 84 sets of pro voiceovers, 84 turnkey pre-sale video pages, 4 training academies, and 4 lead capture pages. So there's a huge opportunity here in the self-help niche and the communications area. So these are the 4 programs: the power of words, the power tools for communication, the pursuit of purpose, and the power of resilience. And you notice that there are accommodations for each of those, and they are PLR products. The front end looks like this at $12.95 to $14.99, and that varies from time to time. And there are 4 upsells, ranging from the first upsell ranging from $39.95 to $97. Second upsell is $11.92 to $14.99. The third upsell is $39.95 to $97, and the last upsell is $97 to $247. Now watch for the downsells. You'll save some money, and but you might get less products, and you might also get a different kind of a product. Now, this offer of $11.95 to $14.95, and what you see up there in terms of the upsells, will be removed from Warrior Plus after 5 days period. And I'm a little late on doing this one, but it ran from February the 12th, and it will go to Saturday the 17th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So your time is short if you want to get this product at a low price. Now, if you need to know more, I suggest and recommend that you click on the second link below and get the full story. And before I go, please check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. And I highly recommend that opportunity for you. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, how to gain reoccurring income online easily, how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Now, thank you for watching, folks. Think hard about this particular product, and think very hard about the $10,000 monthly. Many of us are making very good money in this program. So take a hard look at it. And bye for now, folks. See you next time.